Yield farming has huge impact on all the networks and on BSC it's awesome. So many plans offered yield farming and auto staking but didn't pay well. But here comes a solution for all the BSC lovers. A project which is entirely decentralized and provide you yield farming protocols. And also, if you don't want to do anything, just sit on the couch and count your earnings. This video is for you because this coin will definitely up to 1000x very soon. Feel uninvited. Unifarm is a decentralized deflationary auto staking and yield farming protocol. Unifarm is a DeFi by solving all of its major problems like rugs, bugs, hyperinflation, gas costs, and impermanent losses. Right now this token is available on the PancakeSwap exchange, and also I will tell you that how you can swap the token directly from the PancakeSwap, or you can easily buy the token directly from the website even. The best part of the token Unifarm, some main features: frictionless yield. We all knew about the yield farming. The yield farming is a way to make more crypto with your own crypto. It involves your lending your funds to others through the magic of computer programs called smart contracts. But frictionless yield is entirely a different thing. Basically, the team is going to offer passive yield farming and an additional liquidity farm. Additional liquidity farm is something exclusive this team Unifarm is offering, including easy to use web app. The team is going to secure the liquidity for the main token and give the investor the possibility to either earn from passive yield or LP yield farming. Secondly, you can check out the recent audit by TechRate team. If you want to check it out, I will share the link of the website so you can easily check it out just by clicking on this link. Now, something about the charity funds. The team is basically going to design an ecosystem which makes the tokens of recently abundant or rugged projects more valuable by collecting the tokens of a community decided. That is a big thing, that everything is decided by the community, not by the owners. That is a great thing. So the community decided rug projects. In return, the team is going to provide them an incentive if they start the yield farming at Unifarm. I will also share the link of this token so you can easily you have to copy this contract address, then you have to paste that then you have to paste that address over here, and simply you can buy it. At this time you just have to add this token UNF, and for example, if you are going to buy it with 1 BNB, you will get number of coins, and as I said in the starting that easily this coin will give you 1000x in near future. So you just have to increase the slippage tolerance up to maximum 6 or go it with 7. I think 7 is maximum. So then you can easily buy the token directly from the PancakeSwap exchange right now. Now something more. Basically, the charity fund. What is charity fund all about? I will show you something more that is important. Basically, the charity fund is the place which basically allocated by the Unifarm team, that 1% of every transaction the team is going to use of the funds to buy the tokens of abundant and rug projects, and the other 50% will be hedged in other assets. By doing this, the team is going to execute quarterly buybacks of the own reward token, making the tokens more valuable. That is a great thing. Here you can see one thing more, that why you are going to choose the Unifarm. Basically, they are going to help the global DeFi investors to restore trust to those who have been financially hurt due to abundant and rug projects. It means it is seriously a saver for every rug pull plan. Now here comes the tokenomics of the token Unifarm, UNF. The tokenomics are entirely good. Here you can see the text transaction. 2% of each transaction is being added to the contract. 2% is sent to provide liquidity and locked up forever. 3% is reallocated to all the UNF holders proportionally on percentage, deflating the circulating supply based on Unifarm's core's gravity. About the charity tax, Unifarm's charity fund receives 1% of every transaction that is being made. Even if you send tokens from wallet to a wallet, from wallet A to wallet B, you are paying the fee. With UNF, you just need to have UNF tokens in your wallet to earn some UNF, and the rewards appear instantly in your wallet on every transaction made with UNF on the blockchain. The contract diffuses a portion of all the transactions and transfers it into its liquidity pool, forever raising the floor price. UNF grows exponentially by constantly locking a portion of the supply into itself, and the reward token for the LP farming pools. Buyback happen only in every 24 hours to support the project by adding more liquidity. So overall, this project seems to be well, and the best idea about this token that this project is going to help other rug pull plans. So if you want to know more, simply you can message them directly on the Telegram, or you can join them on the Twitter, because every day they are announcing new things on the Twitter for you. So it's the best time for you to take the entry in this token, because right now if you are going to buy it with only, okay, I'm not saying that you have to buy it with 1 BNB, because right now the price of 1 BNB increased up to $673. So even if you are going to buy it with 0.50, you will get huge amount of UNF tokens. And as per my own idea, seriously, this token will be even huge than Dogecoin. So it's the best time for you to take the entry in this token. What you think about the price idea of UNF token? As per my own idea, this token will reach up to $0.50 in hardly 6 to 8 months. What you think? Do let me know in the comment section. Thanks a lot.